Alright guys, we made it to San Clemente Cars and Coffee. That was an epic drive. Got Alex Troy over there and his RX-6. LaFerrari. What do you guys think of that aftermarket wheels on the LaFerrari? Very interesting. Very nice color on the Aventador S. Lady driven, and even got a baby seat. The baby, wow, respect guys. Lady driven GT3 RS. That's cute. That dog just chilling there. Nice. That dog is living the life. These dogs are living the best life. Yo, look at all these puppies. Forget about cars, guys. Gotta get that shot. Doing some dog spotting right now. Guys, look at this car. Hoover for president. And look at this. Got a guy just surfing. And look at this. It lights up when you do a left turn or stop. Got a surfing board on top. Look at this interior. All wood. Pretty cool. Here we go. Oh, a Scuderia. Nice. And a F12. Guys, look at the plate on the Scuderia. Ferrari. Nice. And Ferrari. There you go. 812 and Largo. Wow. Super rare car. Very nice. Not good. Popo. That's a very cool spec on the 720S. Look at how many cars and how many people there are. This entire parking lot full of people and cars. Love the Viper. Alright guys, if you guys don't know Chinese, this says, be careful, don't hit my ass. White body McLaren. This is sick. Nice. Got the Hummer. F8 Tributo with BBS wheels. Datsun. Pretty cool. Couple GTRs for you all those JDM fans. Oh, let's hear that startup. Pretty quiet. Guys, what car is this? Let me know in the comments below. Pretty cool. They got everything here, even a lifted Jeep. Guys, look at this STO. Perfect spec. Very cool color.